back thousands of years.
Okay. I gotta jump in. I like the floors are off. Again, no, Scotty knows what I'm gonna say. Please don't ever compare me with a lawyer. Mark Hammond is a lawyer. He is a lawyer. He tells you to go pro se. He tells you to be a plaintiff. He tells you to file a complaint. He tells you to get ready for appeal. He tells you to get the evidence and the facts that they're going to use against you. He tells you where's the court when it's applicable. I tell you the code is applicable. I tell you who cares about that facts or evidence. I tell you don't ever answer to being a pro se or plaintiff. Don't ever worry about an effing appeal. There is no appeal in the court of record. So don't see. He's an attorney wannabe, and he wants you to follow the rules of their procedures. I don't want to follow their rules of their procedure. He follows their rules to the letter of the textbook. He tells you file this and file this and file this and file that and claim this. It's all silly. He files complaints. Please don't compare me with an attorney. He's just an attorney. He's a nice man. He got a great family, great kids. He's a wonderful man. Be a great man to have a barbecue with. And as long as he's not smoking dope and burning my house down, that's okay. I don't care what he's doing. But I'm not an attorney. I don't want to be an attorney. I want to be a man, and I'm trying to show you people how to move a court like our great-grandparents did. They didn't know how to read and write. My dad was German. He never read and write a book in his life. He taught me everything about the law that I ever needed to know, that any man needs to know, the same way his dad taught him. Who never read and write, Blackstones, read codes. He never read any books. They were butchers, from Germany. They didn't know shit. Shinola when it came to a book. But did they teach me everything I need to know about the law? Yes. And that's all I'm trying to tell you guys. And these other people tell you how to follow their procedures. Or like this guy from Jurisdictionary down in Florida, he tries to tell you guys, well, file this, and then federal rule of civil procedure this, and federal of this, and then ask them for discovery, and ask them for this. I don't ask them crap.
Yeah, we're looking to get out of that, everybody.
I got nothing. The government's got absolutely nothing I want. There is nothing I could possibly discover from these people. There is absolutely nothing I don't care about. Any of their facts, any of their evidence, I couldn't care about anything they got. Because not a single effing one of them is going to take the stand. Why do I care what they got? Oh, this is what we got against you. Who? The government. Is the government going to take the stand? No. Well, then I don't give a damn what you think you got against me. You personally? Yeah, we're going to take the effing stand. Do you have any first-hand knowledge of it? No. Like Marcia Clark. Why didn't O.J. Simpson say, hey, Marcia, you want to prosecute me? Yeah. Take the stand. You say I did it? Take the stand, honey. Because I'm the prosecutor in my case. You see my federal lawsuit, I'm going to take the effing stand. Marcia Clark, you going to take the stand? Take the stand. Or shut the fuck up. You got nothing to say here.
But you have nothing to say to them? I thought you want to say to them, may I take your order? What order would you like me to do?
That's the judge. That's the judge.
That's the judge? Oh, yeah?
That's the judge. Right. Only attorneys can propose orders. You guys got to Google proposed orders or proposal orders. Man orders. Prosecuting attorneys present proposals like it's marriage. Proposals for orders to court. They're courting the court. It's a proposal that the attorneys make. I don't propose to the court. It's my effing court. I'm telling the court what the hell it's going to do.
Can I say something in my defense? You accuse me of something that's wrong.
No. Nothing's wrong, man. Just don't put my name and his name in the same breath, man. He's a great man in his own right, but if you want to look, attorneys are great for like international business transactions, or if you want to work with eBay in China, that's great. But don't get involved in my life, with my kids, with my family. It's just you know what, lawyers, you got so much other effing shit to do. Go take care of it. You don't need to involve yourselves with man or woman. Go find someone else to play with. You got billions of corporations all over the world. Go play with some corporations. Stay out of my effing life. What I'm trying to say is my family's been around here for 10,000 million generations. We've never needed to read a book in our lives. We're doing just fine. You don't see any of the Lentzes in the past turn to cannibalism or neglect and abusing their children to any level because I'm living testament proof that it didn't happen. Because if it did, I want to be here today for fucking 60 years if my family was crazy. If I was crazy, and I did eat my kids, well then good, because then that genetic code, that gene, isn't going to transmit any more offspring into society and corrupt the population. So good. If I'm some psycho who eats my kids, good. Because then my kids probably have that gene in them that eat their own kids. So we don't need that to freaking spread. So see, I don't understand why CPS is needed. Darwin is right. Okay? Darwin is right. Obviously your mama, your grandpappy, and your great-grandpappy, and your great-great-grandpappy must have done something right with not reading a book, and without listening to Dr. Phil or Oprah, or taking an order from a judge. They must have done something right because you're here to talk to me.
Yeah, they knew how to think. They knew how to be a critical thinker. They knew how to fix anything.
Even caveman did. Well, even caveman did. Because if caveman couldn't do it, you wouldn't be here talking to me today.
Well, that's one of the symptoms of us as a society becoming so dependent on government for everything. Pretty soon we need them to think for us.